Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today in this video we will do the unboxing of this product which I got from Flipkart today. So this is a power bank from MI and let's do the unboxing. So I'll cut it this box now, and once you'll cut this box, so as you can see, this is the power bank. So this is the 20,000 mAh charger which I got from Flipkart, and you can see the product description is here, and I'll remove this wrap. So basically I have to cut it. So as you can see, this is the packaging of the product, and here you can see the power bank specification, and the MRP is around 2,000 rupees, and I got it from Flipkart at around 1,500 rupees. So the product name is power bank, what MI has mentioned here, and as you can see the seal is over here, and we'll cut it down. So here is another seal, and if you check the capacity, here is 20,000 mAh. So let's cut the seal and let's see how the power bank looks like. Okay. So this is the package, and from this side it opens like this, and you'll get one micro USB cable, which is a flat cable which MI provides. And if you look at the power bank, so this is the power bank, guys, and let's open this. This is the seal, and once you open this is the power bank, guys. Let's check this power bank. Here the MI logo is here, and some texture kind of thing. So this is a plastic material, but the 10,000 mAh power bank is one metal one. So here one switch is there, and you will get two ports, and this is the charging port. So here you can see the specification has been written. So if I'll focus it, you can read this is 20,000 mAh power bank, and cell capacity and all these things are written here. So guys, I'll use this charger for a couple of days, and I'll do a review of this product, as I heard some good thing about this product. So many people are using this product, and they have given some good comment. So I'll use this product and we'll do a review kind of video, and if you guys have any queries on this product, then please let me know in the comment section so that I can include that in my review. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.